we're also looking at things like computer use. Because if you take a look at least I come from the space of technical and management upskilling, you probably have 60% of content delivery in a macro learning experience, which would be like training. It used to be like a 3 to 5 day class where people sat into a room, then it was to be online. You have like 60% of content delivery where a trainer delivers something, and then 40% is what we call labs. And those labs, those used to be lugging servers and Cisco routers and switches all over the place, putting them into a rack, cabling them, and so on. That was like 15 years ago. Then it became virtual machines, and now you can access those virtual machines from everywhere. However, now with models with computer use, you can actually look at what an instructor is doing. You can record everything, and we're looking at emulating this and providing a machine which actually allows us to show people how things are being done. Then the other major thing is we can track every interaction with our platform, but I'm sure there's others as well, and correlate this potentially down the line with KPIs about which the company cares about. So we're no longer just looking at all kinds of studies and questionnaires at the end of the class, but rather really correlating training or upskilling on reskilling initiatives with return on investment. So you know when you invest your earned pounds or dollars or euros, where you're putting this. That's my view. But then the key thing is, I may sound a little bit pessimist here, and I'm sorry if I offend someone in the audience, but I really think that we are going to face some very interesting challenges for quite a lot of people who will not be able to adapt. Maybe because of a fault of their own, may not be because of a fault of their own. And that could be that their organization doesn't adapt properly. They don't adapt their job and what their tasks are and their job description quickly enough, because we will get to the point where once you train the machine how to do a certain thing and it's able to show others how to do the thing, then at one point of time, someone probably with a financial function might ask themselves, all right, why do we really need so many humans doing this job? And that's what we already see with call centers, BPO outsourcing. That's already happening there, but it's a wave, and it's really a function in someone's Microsoft Excel in the budgeting, trying to understand whether they want to automate this. So we will have some kind of a crisis of an ego crisis, if I may.